issues that we had this morning. We had a link that got corrupted and we were not able to use that. So I'm so sorry for that. And thank you very much for making it work today. So with that, I'm going to share my screen here and we're going to hear from our governor.
Hello and welcome to the Michigan Infrastructure and Transportation Association's Road Construction Virtual Hiring Fair. We know that it's going to take a lot of hard work of thousands of Michiganders to rebuild our infrastructure and build the state we all deserve. Today, you have the opportunity to grow your career with companies that take pride in building Michigan. For myself and thousands of Michiganders, I want to thank you for considering a line of work that gives back to this great state, and I wish you the best of luck going forward.
Hello, I'm Tony Cradfield, Chief Engineer and Chief Operating Officer for the Michigan Department of Transportation, and I want to welcome you to MITA's Virtual Hiring Fair. The COVID-19 pandemic has certainly presented many challenges for us as a society, but we adapt and get better, and I want to congratulate MITA for finding a way to continue forward with the hiring fair using virtual tools. Because the need to fix Michigan's roads and bridges is no great secret, and with Governor Whitmer's Rebuilding Michigan program, the opportunities have never been greater in our industry. So thank you for participating here today, and best of luck on your next steps to a well-paying, rewarding career in the heavy construction industry.
So a thank you to our governor and MDOT for those welcomes. Again, I'm Heather Smith. I'm the marketing director for Michigan Construction. Ken Bertolini is also on here. He will be closing us out today. I will drop the agenda for the companies in the chat to the panelists. If you are supposed to be a panelist and you are not, please put a quick message in there or in the chat and I will promote you. Again, I apologize for any of the inconvenience that we've had today. And with that, I would like to introduce the operating engineers, John Hartwell. I'm assuming you'll be presenting today.
Yes. Yep. Good morning. Can you hear me, Heather?
I can.
All right. Good deal. Yes, actually, Megan's going to do a screen share with a 60-second video. I'm John Hartwell. I'm a career and outreach coordinator with the operating engineers. And Megan, if we could do our video, then we'll explain a little bit more.
To be the best, you have to learn from the best. That's why at Operating Engineers 324, our training is second to none. Our registered apprenticeships let students earn while they learn while adhering to the strict federal DOL standards. But our training is career long. We are constantly working to be the best trained, technologically advanced, and safest professionals available. From our 3 Michigan training sites in Detroit, in the Upper Peninsula, and at our 555-acre construction career center in Howell, our heavy equipment operators, technicians, and boiler and HVAC engineers never stop learning. We are at the forefront of emerging techniques, and we're doing it safely and efficiently. Roads, bridges, pipelines, and wind farms, skyscrapers, HVAC, and mechanics. We are Operating Engineers 324, and we keep Michigan running.
So thanks for sharing that, Megan. So we are the operating engineers. We operate the heavy equipment that you see on the road sites across the state of Michigan. We also maintain that equipment. So we offer a couple different types of apprenticeships. The heavy equipment operator program is a 3-year program, 6,000 hours to complete it. And you would be working with one of our signatory contractors, and it could very well be one of the signatory contractors that is taking part in the career fair today. So you start out at about 70% of what an operating engineer makes, which is about $20 an hour coming in. And every 1,000 hours you're in the program, you get a 5% increase in pay. That's on the heavy equipment operator side, and you could be operating anything from excavators, bulldozers, to the cranes that you see on the bridge jobs. We also offer apprenticeship with heavy equipment technician, which is our diesel mechanic program, right? Somebody has to keep that equipment up and running, keep it functioning. So we offer a 4-year apprenticeship for heavy equipment technician. Starts out again right around $20 an hour, 5% increase in pay every 1,000 hours that you're in the program. On top of the base pay that we talked about, the $20 an hour for both programs, you would receive a benefit package too: Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Delta Dental, an annuity, a pension, and vacation pay. So pretty lucrative careers. We're always looking for some great talent coming into the industry. We know that Michigan has some road work to do, some infrastructure work, and we want to make sure that we have the best trained candidates for the contractors to be able to do the work in the great state of Michigan. With that, I'm going to keep it short. Thank you for attending. I also have on the screen application dates. We are going to take applications for apprenticeship the week of June 7th through the 11th. You can get an application online, upload all the information at that time. We require you to be 17 years of age to get an application. High school diploma or GED is required, valid Michigan driver's license, and we utilize WorkKeys test scores. So all that information will get uploaded with your application. And as it says, all the information is right there on the screen. If you have more questions, please go to oe324.org and view some of our member testimonial videos, our apprentice videos, and find out more information about the program. Thank you very much. Thanks, Heather.
Thank you, John. I have dropped the info for OE324 in the chat if you would like to copy that as we're going along here. And again, if you have questions, John, I'm sure we'll stay on for a while that you can ask them in the chat or in the question and answer tab at the bottom of your screen. The next person that we have Michigan CAT joining us. Are you guys able to?
Yep.
So we have Mary Ann from Michigan CAT. She's going to share with you for a few minutes. And Mary Ann, take it away.
There we go. Can you guys hear me okay?
We can hear you.
Yep.
All right. So then I just got to figure out how to get my video to play.
JP, how are you? Great, Mike. That's my buddy JP. He's a service technician. And here's what you need to know about JP. He's great at what he does. He loves what he does. And he's making a fantastic living. Is that about right? That's about right. Well, guess what? The folks at Michigan CAT are looking for people like JP. Maybe for people like you. If you've got the drive, the talent, the willingness to work hard, you can make a huge impact as a service technician. How? A couple of ways. First, there's the impact you'll be making on your career. Being a dealer technician really is a career that's in high demand. That's no joke. Every day you'll be using your head and your hands, working on high-tech engines and machines. We get a change in scenery too. CAT technicians don't just work in service shops. We've got the opportunity to work on all kinds of different job sites all over the place. Second, think about the impact you'll make on the world. CAT dealer techs maintain the CAT equipment that builds and powers much of the world's infrastructure. It's very cool. That means you'll literally be helping to build civilization by diagnosing problems, finding solutions, keeping important operations running at full tilt. And that's what full tilt looks like. Third, and most important of all, you'll have an impact on your own life. Good pay and benefits at industry-leading dealerships, plus all kinds of advancement opportunities for a career that really will keep you growing. It all adds up to a happy you and happy people around you. Like these folks. How happy are they? Big machines, big power, big impact. Capitalize on your skills. Be proud of your work. As a Michigan Cat technician, it's more than a career choice. It's a choice career. That sound about right, JP? Works for me.
Thank you guys. I really enjoy that video because it gives us kind of a basic overview of what I want to talk about today. In my PowerPoint, I'm going to try and put this up. Can you guys hear me okay?
Yep, we can hear you, Marianne. We can't see your video yet, though.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that.
I mean, sorry.
Let me find my video. Not used to Zoom. We use a different platform here. So give me 1 second.
Yep, and on behalf of Michigan Cat, both myself, Kelly Siddiqui, and Marianne Ingerman are here today. We really just want to kind of go over a few of the great benefits that our company offers and why you should look at us when you're thinking for a role. Michigan Cat, we've been around for over 75 years. We're owned by McAllister Machinery out in Indiana. So we have a really good presence throughout the Midwest with lots of great opportunities.
Well, I did try my video. It said the host had stopped my video, so I'm not sure what that meant. But I'm going to go ahead and start presenting as to not waste anyone's time. Thank you guys all for joining us. I'm so happy to get to follow up Steve and the operating engineers because we deal with them a lot as well. They're a great, great union to be associated with. Like Kelly said, why choose Michigan Cat? Great career opportunities like they stated in the video. We also have an amazing culture is what I'm going to start out with. It's not just every day, you know, coming to work in a shop. Safety is our #1 priority. We actually care that you come home and you work with us safely every day and come home safely every day. You know, customers are ranked right up there with safety. We take care of our customers and our service technicians are proud of that. They love coming in and having the customers know that they're getting the top of the line service when they come and get their equipment repaired with Michigan Cat. Speaking of culture, we look for attitude and aptitude equally almost, you know. We want people to come work for us that are happy to be there, you know, happy to service customers, take pride in what they do. That's half the battle for us here at Michigan Cat, what we look for. We do have work-life balance as well. You know, we get it. Everybody has lives outside of work. So we are not, you know, looking to work anybody. I hear all the time as a recruiter, you know, that these guys are out there working 80 hours, you know, every week or so. We're not here to do that. You know, we do believe in a good work-life balance as well. We have enough technicians to help carry that load. And we are well regarded in our industry as well. Like Kelly mentioned, family owned and operated over 75 years. And employees feel like they feel a part of the family. Michigan Cat has 8 locations across the state of Michigan. Something I want to mention on this slide really quickly is in each of those 8 locations, our shops are divided into 2 sections. So there's opportunity here. There's the heavy equipment side where you can come work on all of those dozers, excavators, wheel loaders, all that really cool yellow iron. There's also a side of diesel engine, over the road trucks, bumper to bumper. Oops, there's the sound of virtual. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. That's what happens when you work from home. Okay, so anyways, the other side is the diesel engine, the over-the-road trucks, right? Any make, any model engine. You do not need to know just Cat engines anymore. We want people that know Cummins, diesel, or I'm sorry, Cummins, Detroit, you know, International, Volvo, any of these other engines we work on now, bumper to bumper. So it's a really exciting time in our truck side of the shop as well. Again, not to preach on this slide, but a great opportunity. There's career paths, you know, with Michigan Cat. You may start anywhere from a trainee level, work your way up. There's lots of hands-on technical training. We have our own training website through Caterpillar that just, you know, enables lots and lots of opportunity for online training. Michigan Cat McAllister has 5 technical trainers. These are certified Caterpillar trainers that can teach all the hands-on to our technicians to continue that growth, to continue their career opportunities with our company. Our goal as a company is that each employee has 40 hours of training at least per year. That might be in person, you know, with COVID, it might be virtual. It could be on our website, you know, the Caterpillar dealership website. So it's not just a job, it's a career. The possibilities with us go on and on. Speaking of benefits, we offer very competitive benefits. Our union is the Operating Engineers, Local 324. Again, great union. Happy to be associated with them. Being that we are a union company, the Operating Engineers pays for the technicians' health care premiums. That means nothing's coming out of your check for your insurance. If you go to the doctor, there's, you know, going to be a office visit or copay, but nothing comes out of your check for healthcare premiums. It's excellent coverage they offer the technicians, and I couldn't be more proud to, again, be associated with the Operating Engineers. The Blue Cross Blue Shield, Delta Dental, there's a pension, guaranteed contribution per hours worked for a 401k. So a lot of times the money you make minus taxes, you're taking home. We're not, you know, this all is not coming out of your check. So other benefits include safety shoe reimbursement program, competitive pay, you know, everything you see here on the slide, paid holidays, great promotional opportunities. The thing I love about us is you may come in as a truck tech, you may want to start, you know, learning the heavy equipment side. We're going to give you that opportunity and just advance from there. Whether your dream is to be a field technician, maybe you want to go into sales, maybe you want to go, you know, into trying management, becoming a supervisor. We have that opportunity at Michigan CAT for you. Again, just some other perks here on the slide. We take care of PPE, again, safety being number one. Here's what we look for. What we look for our truck shop. You know, somebody that's got that wide variety, diesel engine skill set, doesn't matter. We don't need just CAT skills. We need all variety, all makes, all models. And again, we are bumper to bumper in our truck shop. A very exciting time. We participate with a Midwest group of CAT dealers, and they have formed Rig 360 program, which means anybody that's a over-the-road truck that is in the Rig 360 program can stop along the way at any one of these dealerships that participate and get their problem solved. If something breaks down in Ohio, they can wheel into a CAT dealer in Ohio, get that fixed, and guess what? It's warranted if it happens to break down again in Michigan, because we're part of this Rig 360 program. It's very exciting. It's growing our truck department a lot. It's getting bigger and bigger. So it's a very exciting time again in our truck shop, and it's always an exciting time in our heavy equipment shops. What we look for is somebody that might have some diesel engine experience, some hydraulics, electrical troubleshooting, any powertrain, welding experience. We just got to talk about it, see what, you know, your skill set is and how we can get you where you want to go with Michigan CAT. And again, Michigan CAT, it's more than just a career. We're continuing to grow. We grew during the pandemic. We feel very fortunate about that. We kept all of our employees working, and it's a great shop, great store, great culture with lots of opportunities offered. We offer those opportunities internally first as well, something I want to mention. So, you know, if you come in and work with us, we do, all of our union positions are posted internally for 5 days first. We give our internal employees first opportunity with us. And, you know, our facilities are state of the art, best equipment, best technicians. I'm so proud of our technicians, our facilities, and being a part of Michigan CAT. Safety is our priority. We take care of you and want everybody to return home safely every day in a very good, safe, clean environment with a great culture. So with that being said, I hope I didn't go over time. I apologize for the dog barking. Kelly, do you want to add anything to my?
No, we're really excited to engage in some conversations with prospective candidates. And we will go ahead and share our slide deck, since I know we had some difficulties sharing it, but we're here for conversations, and thank you very much for the opportunity. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Michigan Cat. They can email me the slide deck. I'd be happy to put it in the response email to the attendees and attach it there, or drop it into the chat as well. Next up on our list is we have Give 'em a Break Safety, Tanya Johnson. Tanya, are you all set?
Yep, I'm all set.
Okay, Tanya, you can go ahead and share your screen and welcome.
Hi, everyone. As Heather said, my name is Tanya Johnson. I'm the HR manager with Give 'em a Break Safety. Thank you for allowing us to participate in this event today. Give 'em a Break, we're known as GEBS. We have been in service for over 125 years of combined experience. We range from traffic planning, design, estimating, administration, and field crews. Safety is our #1 priority with both our people and our customers. We have a comprehensive safety plan that includes daily tailboard meetings, safe work practice incentives, frequent safety meetings, an annual all-hands safety conference, and more to ingrain the safety culture in our team and in everything we do. Give 'em a Break likes to give back to our community. We believe when you give to your community, you get things in return. That means the companionship, the partnership with everyone around you. Every one of our branches, we have 7 branches at this time. We perform donation campaigns focused on our annual Christmas community service event. We do things such as Hand to Hand in Grand Rapids, the Can Council in Saginaw. In Jackson this past year, we provided lunch and dinner to all of our first responders, firemen, police officers, and the hospitals around us. We also donated to the Big Brothers Big Sisters Foundation, providing warm coats and hats and boots for all of their littles. And we are also participating in some of the Big Brother Big Sister sponsorships throughout this year. So Give 'em a Break loves to give back and support our community. Some services we provide: we do traffic regulation, flagging, road sign installation, road closures, lane closures. We are available for emergency jobs, and we provide items for parades and festivals, concerts, etc. We provide the safety that every one of our contractors needs to keep them and their crew safe. So we have a very important job. Some of our benefits include a large portion of your medical benefits are paid for by Give 'em a Break. Give 'em a Break pays for 100% of your dental, vision, and life insurance. We have PTO and holiday pay available from day 1 when you start. We have outstanding growth potential. We always encourage our employees to move up. We think of Give 'em a Break as a stepping stone for what could be in your future, whether that be with us and moving up into management or estimating or sales position, or giving you the groundbreaking stonework that you need to work for another contractor. And we have a unique incentive comp program. We provide incentive comp bonuses 4 times throughout the year based on the profitability of our company. Our owners and president likes to give back to our employees to share with them all the great work that we have done. And these profit sharing programs are growing every year. I mean, Michigan is a state right now that is constantly flowing with road work done every day, new contracts done and signed every day. So we're definitely busy, and we have a lot of that profit to share with all of you. And we're going to give a few minutes of some of our testimonials.
Can you guys hear that?
We cannot.
Okay. I think I forgot to
Hit the little button there to share your audio.
That's exactly what I did. I apologize for that.
Favorite thing about
How's that?
Yep.
Okay.
Favorite thing about working here is how family oriented everything is. And
like I said, I started here at age 53, and where do you get an opportunity like that at that age? Somebody to hire you, but they took me on, and I'm grateful for the job. And
I like the opportunity and the pay.
And I really like it because
It's more of a family atmosphere.
And what I really like about the job is meeting new people when we are out on the road.
I love the staff. The staff is great. Our Jackson staff is just wonderful. So this is one of the reasons why I love working here.
The things that I love about the company are the people here. We're all a pretty great team. We work real hard. We're willing to train people. Being on the road, I love being outdoors, so if you like outdoors, it's really nice. The great benefits that you get for your family, all that stuff. The people up in the office are amazing. Yeah, so Give 'em a Break is awesome.
So Give 'em a Break, we do like to focus on family atmosphere. When you come to work for Give 'em a Break, you're not just coming to work, you're gaining a family. Everyone knows everyone. Our managers, myself included, are always willing to talk to an employee and figure out what's going on, how we can help them in any aspect of their life. So thank you for letting us join today. We hope that we are able to talk to some of you very soon and get you to work.
Thank you so much. Give 'em a Break. I will put their link to their jobs page in the chat as well. And feel free to reach out to them. Next up, we have DHT Group. Holly, are you good to go?
Heather, I'm sorry, this is Gina at Levy. I think Ace Saginaw was after Give 'em a Break, is that correct?
Oh, I apologize. I have the wrong one in front of me. I'm so sorry. Yes, Ace Saginaw is. Thank you so much, Gina. I appreciate that. So with that, we'll have Ace Saginaw and then DHT Group. Ace Saginaw is part of the Levy Corporation, so I'll let them take over. I believe we have David and Gina on the line.
Correct. Can you hear me okay?
We can. Thank you, David.
Okay, and can you see our presentation?
Not yet.
Let's see. Can you see it now?
Yes, we can.
All right, great, thank you. So as they said, my name is David Messina. I am the Human Resources Manager for Edward C. Levy Group of Companies, which includes our Ace Saginaw division. So thank you so much for letting us join you today. I will tell you a little bit about the Edward C. Levy Groups of Companies. Since 1918, we're a family-owned company, so we've been in business for over 100 years. We have locations all over the US as well as all over the world. So what we basically do is transform natural and slag aggregates into asphalt, concrete, and agricultural products. We provide services that include construction materials, road building, flame cutting, treatment, etc. Simply, we do a lot of different things under quite a few different names. Sorry, try to. Okay, let me try that again. Can you still see my screen?
We can still see your screen. You probably selected the window over the screen. So there you go. We're back.
Okay. So basically, let me move on. Our steel mill services division, primarily what we do is we work with contractors for the steel mills around the world. We listen to our customers, we understand their needs, and we are able to provide a wide range of specialized mill services for them, including scrap management, flame technologies, mobile equipment support, and slag processing. So slag processing is really a critical piece of our business because slag is a stony matter that separates from metals during the refining of iron ore and has a variety of end users. So basically, several of the end uses that we have is that we put the slag and other aggregates into both asphalt and concrete. So our aggregate mining operations include quarries and sand and gravel pits. We mine, process, and sell basically rocks of all sizes for a variety of end users. The rocks that we mine are referred to as a raw material. So within the aggregate operations, raw material is fed through a hopper and a conveyor system into a processing plant that crushes it, sorts it, stockpiles it based on the size and density. So these processed materials are basically ingredients to a recipe that we utilize for the type of mix that we're going to produce, make sure that it's suitable for its specific construction purpose. I never realized until I started working for Levy that there are actually different formulations for both asphalt as well as concrete. Our asphalt plants produce a variety of hot asphalt mixes. They are made on site and they're stored in silos. So our aggregate products are often used in our asphalt mixes, making us a vertically integrated company. In Colorado Springs, we have our own quality control lab that tests the asphalt and our aggregate products in order to check the quality and required specifications. The asphalt that we produce is used in roads, highways, parking lots, and more. I think I-75 has quite a bit of our asphalt in it, or I'm sorry, our concrete in it. Levy produces high quality ready mix concrete using both natural and lightweight aggregates to enhance the properties and performance of the final product. So we supply high quality cement using slag, reducing the environmental impact on the cement making process. So we take COVID very, very seriously, and we are trying to administer COVID safety protocols at all of our locations. We have a daily health check that we have to check in with every morning via text message. We social distance as social distancing is required. Employees must wear a mask if they're not distanced from their coworkers. In any kind of an office environment, employees must always wear a mask. Hand washing locations are always available. All equipment is cleaned and sanitized before and after all shifts. And the company provides cleaning supplies and all masks for employees to use. As I mentioned earlier, I'm new with the company. I've only been here for a few months. One of the things that I am most impressed with is that at the Levy family of companies, their mission statement has included treating others as we would wish to be treated and working hard to gain the same treatment from others. We encourage all employees to take care of each other while acting with respect, civility, and dignity. We are focused on hiring candidates from the adjacent communities to support our operating sites, and we remain committed to continuous improvement at all levels of the organization. I have been an HR person for more than 20 years. I will tell you it is extremely refreshing to work for a company like Levy that takes their mission statement very, very seriously, and it's very evident in the work atmosphere and the culture that we have in our company. So we are on this call today because we have some openings that we would love to try to get some good candidates to fill. Primarily, I'm here representing ACE Saginaw, so we are looking for a lot of asphalt equipment operators throughout the Thumb area. However, we have all kinds of openings throughout other locations in our state as well. So again, if anybody would be interested in any of these opportunities that they see here, please reach out to us. I would tell you that we offer a competitive benefit package. We have a great medical plan, dental plan. We have prescription coverage, long-term disability, and 401k with a company contribution. Again, great company. So if anybody is interested, they can apply through this or through this job fair, or they can reach out to us directly at this number. If anybody has any questions, please let me know.
Thank you very much from Levy Company, David. Feel free, again, I'll put some of the stuff in the chat. Please feel free to reach out to these companies. And if you missed something while we're going through, remember you will get this as a recording in your email following this meeting. So with that, next up is DHT Group, I believe. Holly, are you there? Oh, okay, so Holly's in the attendees. I will fix that right now, Holly. Hold on just a second. Okay, you should be good, Holly.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay, great. All right. So my name is Holly Elbers. I am the HR generalist at DHT. We are located in Reese, Michigan. We were founded in 1983. We started with just one truck. Now we're licensed in 48 states, and we have now over 350 employees. And we are transitioning to a fully owned employee owned company. Our main location is in Reese, Michigan, but we also have locations in Port Huron, Newport, and Bellefontaine, Ohio. That's just a picture of a recent excavating project that we've been doing. We have multiple divisions, transportation being our biggest one, but we also have an excavating division, a landscaping division, and truck and trailer repair. Current opportunities that we have available, we are looking for an excavating project manager / estimator, diesel mechanics, general laborers, heavy equipment operators, and we're always looking for CDLA drivers. Some of our benefits, like I mentioned, we are employee owned. We do have health care, medical, vision, dental, a health savings account, life insurance, legal shield, 401k with a partial employee match, paid vacation, profit sharing, and pet insurance. We are also recognized as a veteran-friendly employer for 2020. How to apply, besides the links in the chat box, this is our official website. So if you wanted to go here and fill out a general application, it's a pretty quick turnaround time on that. And if you had any official questions, you could also email me at helbers@dht.com or just call us at 989-759-2010. And that's all I have.
Are you there, Jessica? It looks like Jessica may not have made it on. I will put the link to Anlon Corporation and their info. They are currently hiring for carpenters, operators, and laborers. They have both experienced and entry-level positions available. And the link will be in the chat. So they cover most of Michigan, primarily west to Lansing here and northern Michigan. They don't typically work in the southeast area of the state, but they are a great company out of the west side. They're out of Grand Haven, I believe. So with that, I'll put that information in the chat, and you'll also get that in your emails. Next up, we have Ellie with ML Chartier. Ellie Reed, she's the HR generalist. Ellie?
Thank you, Heather. Let me just get my screen shared. All right, can you see all of this?
Yes, we can.
Okay, great. So, hi everyone, my name is Ellie and I am the HR generalist here at ML Chartier. We are an excavating contractor and we serve the entire state of Michigan. So this includes everything from road building to site development, trucking, excavation, and hydro excavation. We have multiple locations throughout the state of Michigan, and all of them are growing. So that being said, we are looking to add more team members who would like to establish a career in construction. We can offer premium wages, we have full benefit packages, as well as a lot of growth within our company. One of our favorite things is watching our team members thrive and grow into supervisors, managers, and even just leaders within our company. So I think that makes us really unique. But we have a really cool video that we put together and I'd like to have you all check it out. So let me get that going. And then
What's nice about us here at ML Chartier is that we have such a wide array of versatile employees that can overcome and adapt. When we say, hey, we need to get this job, we have to work extra time, we have to work extra hard, we tell our people what we need to do and they run with it. And I think that's what sets us apart. We have a lot of people that we can fall back on in our organization. We can do anything. I mean, we're one-stop shopping. You know, if you can provide them turnkey services from start to finish, that's going to make us very, very appealing. And I think that's what ML Chartier can offer people. The Chartier family treats you like family and makes you feel welcome and wanted. That makes people want to work hard because if they succeed, we all succeed. There's nothing more exhilarating than going out and selling a project to the customer. And even more so than that is to be able to hand the project back over to the customer and say, here you go. And you get to do that here with ML Chartier and, you know, to know that you're appreciated at the end of the day. That gets me excited. To be able to work for a company like that is pretty amazing.
Were you all able to see that video?
No, Ellie, I was going to stop you, but the audio was great. So we did not, the picture of your crew is on the screen still. So I think you just had to click the wrong window, but that's okay. It was fantastic.
Do we have time for me to quick play it again? It's okay if we don't.
No, what I'll do is I'll put a link to it in the chat and they will get the video in. I will make sure to add that video in the email that responds to all the attendees.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So do you have anything else you'd like to add?
Nope, I will put a link to our application in the chat and then thank you, Heather.
Thank you very much, Ellie from ML Chartier. Again, I put their link to their careers page in there and she's going to add some more stuff to that as well. Next up, we would like to welcome Jessica Bunch from PK Contracting. Jessica sent us a video in here, so I'm going to share the video with y'all. Okay.
PK Contracting is Michigan's top pavement marking contractor and one of the largest pavement marking contractors in the country. We have offices in Troy, Oxford, Marquette, Lake City, St. John's, Kalamazoo, and Gaylord. We're looking to add road workers, yard workers, mechanics, office staff, and management positions to our team at all of our locations. We offer top industry pay with plenty of overtime opportunities, excellent benefits, and an exciting and rewarding environment. Applicants with a chauffeur's license or a Class A CDL are encouraged to apply through our website, pkcontracting.com. We look forward to hearing from you.
And thank you. That is PK Contracting. We will put their info in the chat as well. And up next, we have Michigan Paving and Materials.
Hi, Heather. Thank you very much. So here at Michigan Paving and Materials, we are a heavy road construction company. Michigan Paving and Materials is on the west side of Michigan and central Michigan. We are part of also Cadillac Asphalt and Stoneco, so we are a vertically integrated company. Stoneco does provide us with our materials. We also do have 2 emulsion and oil plants. We are actually part of a company, a larger company called CRH, which is a global leader that has $26.8 billion in revenue. So even though we are part of a larger company, we are able to operate locally as a smaller company. We are in 45 states, 6 Canadian provinces, and we have 1,450 locations with 27,000 employees. So we are looking to hire in any traffic regulators, laborers, equipment operators, plant laborers. We do have positions that are entry level as well as experience. We also offer top competitive wages for the industry, benefits. We do offer lots of growth, lots of promotional opportunities. So please, we ask that if you are interested in learning more, go to michiganpaving.com, and it has all of our information, including all of our open positions. Thank you.
Thank you, Pam. I did put the link to the CRH jobs in the chat. I'll also put a link to the Michigan Paving and Materials homepage in there as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for joining us today. The next one we have is the County Road Association. We have a video from them that I would like to share with you, a couple different ones. So we'll start with. Okay, here we go.
Hi, my name's Emily and I work for the Washtenaw County Road Commission. If you're looking for a job, a county road agency is a great place to check out. We do a variety of tasks. There's all sorts of different jobs available at each county agency, and every day you get to serve your friends and family that travel the roads all the time. If you want to find out more, we'd love for you to check out this video that follows my introduction, and you can always visit micountyroads.org to learn more. There's a job board posting there where county jobs are posted across the state. We update it regularly. There's lots of information about all the different road agencies across the state of Michigan, and we'd love for you to join our team. Hi, my name's Emily.
Sorry about that. I will share their next video here, which is their Road Warriors video. So here we go.
I was going to college, going for a journeyman apprenticeship, and I kind of got the job as part-time, and then kind of realized I liked all the diverse jobs that we have there, and we're always doing something different every day. It's not consistent, same things, and I kind of enjoy that, and a full-time position opened up, so I applied for it. We have 410s in the summer, and it's great. I enjoy the weekends with my family and get to go places and do other things instead of taking a vacation day on a Friday to take off to have a 3-day weekend or something like that.
My favorite part of the job would be finishing a project. There's lots of jobs where you don't always get to see the finished product, but starting a job in the morning, finishing, catch basin at the end of the day, I like that, and I like flexibility.
My job consists of helping develop, design, oversee projects. I install, replace, maintain all our sign logs and the signs on the road. I grew up in the community I work in. I live there, raised my family there, and it's just giving back, making it a better place for my family. You drive those roads every day, your family drive those roads, your friends. You can say when a project's completed that, hey, I was part of that, I helped provide that. It's more of a sense of pride. It brings it back, ties it around to helping your community out.
My favorite part would be working on such a wide variety of equipment we work on everything from chainsaws all the way to paving equipment. So, you don't get that opportunity pretty much anywhere else.
It's great to being able to pioneer new technology in the community. In the hold-in-place recycling, when we finish a road, we get to hear all the feedback from the residents that live on the road, that how appreciative they are for what we did for them.
Well, and thank you to the County Road Association for providing those videos. Again, I put the link if you are interested in those jobs working for your local county road commission. Please check out their jobs board at the link in the chat. The last video I have for you today is a little bit about the MDOT OJT program. Many of our companies that are attending today are part of this. I'll put the link to apply, but they have a great video talking about their program. And MDOT also offers some great jobs in road maintenance, administration, and engineering. So I'll also put the link to their jobs board through the state of Michigan in there. They're one of our program sponsors today. So with that, I will start this video here. Sorry about that, guys. Lots of technology today.
I've been doing construction since I was 18. I'm 34 now.
and I just been doing it all my life.
I just started doing it right after high school.
I just kind of ended up in it one day. I was like, well, I might as well just try it and see how it goes. And this is my second year doing it now, and I actually really enjoy it.
I chose this as a career because my brother's in it. He told me to come out and try it, and I've been here ever since.
I pretty much said, why not try it out? After my first day, I knew it was something I loved and something I pursued.
Best part is learning. I mean, there's always something new to learn. There's always a challenge, and that's one thing that I really enjoy.
Most other people, they don't realize that construction, you know, they pay you to learn. You know, you're not going to college, putting yourself in debt.
I knew that school was just not enough for me.
I didn't go to school for it, so I just showed up, and I mean, they're going to train you, so.
The OJT program has been a great opportunity for me.
When I first started working here, I didn't know anything. Everything that I've been taught, everybody taught me that I worked with.
And also, I get a lot of incentives. The stuff that you need for work, your work boots, your safety glasses, raincoats, anything you need for work. The reimbursement is there. I mean, they just have your back no matter what.
There's such a demand for workers right now.
You can get into it very easily.
I mean, you could be a laborer, a carpenter, operator. There's all different kinds of things you can be, and I think it'd be a good job for anybody, as long as they're willing to work.
You come out here straight out of school, not know anything like about this kind of stuff, and you'll kill it, so.
Well, thank you, MDOT, for sharing that video with us. Again, we put the links in the chat. I encourage you to go through that and copy the ones that you want, but you will also get it in an email to you, a copy of our webinar today, as well as all of these companies that presented and a links to their pages. You will also receive, because you attended today, a quick link. Many of these companies have set aside 5 or 10 minutes to talk to those of you who want to know more about the company, like a pre-interview, and see if this company may be right for you. So this link will also go out in the email, and we encourage you to sign up for a time with some of these companies. They've dedicated their time today, as well as time to talk to you one-on-one. With that, we are so thankful that you were able to join us, and we'll stay on the line for a couple minutes. If you would like to put any questions in the chat, please feel free to do that, and we'll give you some time to copy what you need to do in the chat. For all of our employer companies, thank you so much for attending today. We appreciate you very much. We appreciate your hard work on our roads and bridges and infrastructure. And for those of you attending this afternoon's webinar in Northern Michigan, please check your email to make sure you got the updated link. Again, we had some issues with some corrupted links, and we apologize for that, but please check on the updated links. We are going to record all of these webinars and actually do some rebroadcasting of them due to some of the things that we've had. So we're going to do some follow-up broadcasts to the people who might not have been able to make it today. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email myself or Ken Bertolini. We will put our emails in the chat as well. And with that, again, thank you so much, everyone, for attending. And we'll just stay on for a few more minutes and let you copy those chats or ask any questions. And then we'll head out of here right around 11 o'clock. So thank you, everyone. We'll see some of you this afternoon at 1 o'clock for our next webinar.